Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with pointers on how to choose the correct blast pot and blast nozzle for your current available air supply. The Pro 16 is supplied with a number 2 blast nozzle, which requires 20 CFM. However, larger blast nozzles can be fitted, such as a number 3 blast nozzle requiring 45 CFM or a number 4 blast nozzle requiring 80 CFM. The Pro 45 comes fitted with a number 3 blast nozzle, which requires 45 CFM. However, it can be fitted with a number 2 blast nozzle requiring only 20 CFM. The Pro 90 comes fitted with a number 4 blast nozzle requiring 80 CFM. However, it can be fitted with a number 3 blast nozzle requiring 45 CFM. The Pro 180 comes fitted with a number 5 blast nozzle requiring 140 CFM. However, it can be fitted with a number 4 blast nozzle requiring just 80 CFM. The Pro 320 comes fitted with a number 6 blast nozzle requiring 200 CFM. However, it can be fitted with a number 5 blast nozzle requiring just 140 CFM. We can customise this criteria to suit your air supply and application. The tip of each blast nozzle has a carbide insert, which will keep you blasting for many years without wear. The nozzles have a coarse contractor's thread and can be quickly changed. You can buy online or contact us for more information.